welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Washington and love the beautiful birds in your state and currently looking for field guides or the Bird Book, which focuses on birds of Washington? If you're currently living in Washington and want to have Birds Identification Guide or Field Guide to Birds, then the Birds Washington Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. This is a field guide which is prepared by Stan Tequila. This field guide features full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. Now you can learn about and identify birds in the state of Washington. This item is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, library, or for collection. This field guide is a real pleasure to read. This item offers an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. The long wait is over. Grab the Birds Washington Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Washington. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.